Let's play with ق this time. Today we want to see how ق looks like and sounds when it's attached to vowels, when it plays to vowels. Sometimes it would be tricky, but we will figure it out today. Let's see. Well, as usual, we have a, the one with hat that comes at the beginning, doesn't attach. The other one without the hat comes attached to other consonants, lowercase consonants. So what happens when it's attached to q? What happens when it wants to play with this q? As many qs that we have in Persian, but what about this one? Aq, you can read it now. I'm sure you are reading it. Aq, aq. This one will, yeah, q, qa, q, qa, qa, aq, qa. Separate, attached at the beginning, attached middle or at the end to the lowercase consonant. What about a? The one that is separate, the one that's attached. First one would be aq, aq. What about the other one? Attached to the lowercase consonant, which here is q. So it's qa, qa. What about a? The one that comes at the beginning, doesn't attach. The one that comes in the middle and attaches. So this one would be iq, iq, iq. This one would be first this, then this. q, q, q. Same here. The one that's at the beginning and doesn't attach, this one attaches. So it's uq, uq, uq. And this one's qu, qu. For sure you know this one. Comes at the beginning, comes in the middle or end, doesn't attach, attaches. So when it wants to play with q, it would be uq, uq, uq. And there it would be qu, qu, qu. What about this one? This one is a little tricky. I will tell you why. Sometimes when they want to play with each other, q or e, the ein, e. Ein or ghain, e and q, the one that doesn't have the dot, and this one transforms a little. Transform a little. Look here. When it's attached to this one, you know ease. The one that comes at the beginning, the one in the middle, and the one at the end. This one attaches from both sides, and this one sometimes attached, sometimes doesn't. It depends on that consonant that you use. But here we say that q attached to this. Looks funny. Above looks like, see, a triangle. So when q attaches to something and comes in the middle, it looks like a little triangle. A little triangle. So it's iq, iq. And the last one is qi. See? when it's attached from both sides or from one side. From here, it looks like a triangle, but when nothing is attached to it from this side and it's just from the other side, it looks normal. It's like when you want to play with something, you change your clothes, you change your looks. That's how they play. Let's see what are the practices for next session. Well, for next session, one page as we read them while writing, one page of these, aq, one page of these, qa, one page, aq, one page, qa. Don't forget to read it as you write it down. And all of them until qi. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pages. As you read them, don't forget to do that. It's really important because you should completely learn them. Of course, I know that you learned them now, you know them right now, but it's necessary to practice them. So that was it. See you guys next session. Don't forget to subscribe, and which you of course did. And one more thing is to comment for me when you did it, okay? See you guys. Bye.